All right, let's break down the one thing that could be absolutely tanking your credit score, even when you think you're doing everything right.
Seriously, did you know that you could be paying every single bill on time every month and still be crushing your credit score? It sounds crazy, right? You're responsible, but your score's stuck, or worse, it's dropping. So frustrating. Well, the answer is hiding in plain sight.
So that hidden culprit, it's not your payment history. Nope, it's your credit utilization. And you know what? Most people have no idea what this even is, and it's the number one mistake that we are going to fix right now.
Okay, look at this. We all focus on our payment history, and yeah, that's 35%. But sitting right behind it is credit utilization, making up a massive 30% of your score. Ignoring this is like trying to bake a cake and leaving out a third of the flour. It's just a recipe for disaster.
So, what is it really? It's actually super simple. It's just the amount you owe on all your cards divided by your total credit limit. That's it. So, if you owe $500 on a $5,000 limit, your utilization is 10%. Simple. Now, here's the crucial point, the 30% danger zone. Let's say your credit limit is $1,000. The moment you spend just $1 over $300, your utilization jumps past 30%. To banks, this is a huge red flag. You suddenly look risky, and your score can take an immediate hit, even if you pay it all off a week later.
So staying under 30%, that's the basic rule. It keeps you safe. But if you want one of those exceptional scores, you need the cheat code. The real secret, get your utilization under 10%. This tells lenders that you're not just a good borrower, you're an elite borrower who has completely mastered their credit.
And hey, you don't have to take my word for it. The data speaks for itself. This table from Experian shows a direct, undeniable link. People with exceptional scores, we're talking 800 and up, have an average utilization of around 7%. Now compare that to folks in the good category. They're hovering near 40%. The proof is right there. Lower utilization equals higher scores, period.
So, what's your next move? 3 things, right now. 1, check your utilization. 2, drop your percentage in the comments below. Let's see where everyone's at. And 3, subscribe for more credit hacks that actually work. So the real question is, are you just avoiding risk or are you ready to build an exceptional score? The choice is yours.